absolutely right, sir. Anime.
Yeah, no, I don't really do mud.
But you're a garden fairy.
Ironic, isn't it? When the song come on, let me see you get gone.
Get gone.
Baby mamas, this your song. Been pregnant for way too long. Now tell the DJ turn it on. Turn it on.
If she a baby mama,
Go ahead.
she gon' do that, baby.
Oi, oi.
Oh my god, Ronnie.
White J's, white Porsche, white wrist, white horse, high bitch, high bitch.
Funny little birds sat on my window, and they told me I don't need to worry. Summer came like cinnamon, so sweet. Little girls double dutch on the concrete. Maybe sometimes we got it wrong, but it's alright. The more things seem to change, the more they stay the same. Don't you hesitate, girl, put your records on. Tell me your favorite song. Yeah, go ahead, let your head down. Sapphire faded jeans.
Quick thing here, Lucky has a raw bone. A lot of people say that a dog growling and stuff when you're near their bone is normal and it's fine. If a dog is like that, they're either reactive or food possessive. There's a cat. A dog should not lash out if you or another animal comes near them when they have food. Lucky's never had a raw bone before. He is loving it. But guess what? I can touch him. I can touch that. I don't want to touch it or tend to touch it. I'll pet his feet. The cats are by him. They want a bite of it too. But he's not going to do anything because he knows and he trusts that I will stop them from taking his stuff, and he does not need to defend himself. And that is part of a trusting two-way relationship. He knows that I will not allow someone else to take his bone. And he also knows that if I needed to take it, I'm allowed to, and he doesn't fear that I won't give it back.
आज कहता हूँ पहली दफा दिल में हो तुम आँखों में तुम पहली नजर से ही
Daisy, you know what day it is? To get in the bathtub. Get in the bathtub. Come on, get in the bathtub. Daisy, come on. Come on, Daisy, get in the bathtub. Get in the bathtub. Daisy, Daisy, get in the bathtub. Come on. Come on, get in the bathtub. Come on, Daisy.
This is kind of hard to show holding the camera, but Lucky, block. Yes. And no food for this. Here's a heavy breathing alert. Yes, good boy. Here's item retrieval. Lucky, get it? Yes, good boy. Good job. What's going on here? Huh? All right. Here is a fainting response.
enslaved hog. Free him. I freed him, but at what cost? No, the hog is committing ours.
Mom brought home this little trash panda and he always has to be touching me all the time and she thinks we are best friends when I actually hate this little demon.
Hey!
كل يوم ضدي حضل حدي
Just can't say goodbye.
I just want to be appreciated.
People ask me like, hey there, buddy, why are you so cute? What can I say? I'm just adorable like that.
Where are you?
Coconut. No. 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 I know what you're doing. No.
So my dog is a very strange combination of two very different breeds of dogs. And we get a lot of looks when we take her for walks, and people ask a lot of questions because she's really cute, but she doesn't really make sense.
I've never met someone who owns a Dalmatian. I don't think I've ever even seen one in real life.
Making my way back home, been a long day, time to see my fluffy dog.
Honey, I'm home. No, nothing. Good.
Honey, I don't have an attitude. I just have a personality you can't handle.
There are two types of dogs. The gentle one. Good boy. And the not so gentle. Ow!
Find Mom. Did you get her? Did you get her? Yes! Good job! Yes!
Father, I'm coming home. I follow you into the park, through the jungle, through the dark. God, I never loved one like you. Boats and waterfalls, alleyways and payphone calls. I'll be here never out with you. We laugh until we think we'll die, barefoot on a summer night. Nothing new is sweeter than with you. And in the street we run free like it's only you and me. Geez, got something to see. Oh, let me go home. Home is whatever I'm with.
Damn, it really do be beautiful outside right now. But you know what it's not beautifuler than? It's not better beautifuler than you.
Making breakfast. Minnie. Turn around, Alex.
You let me know if like my new styles are okay. I'm trying to reinvent myself. So for work, I thought this was cool because when you double the bows, you double the power, you double the intimidation, and you double the respect. This shows I'm like well-traveled, you know, like hashtag Wanderlust. Follow me on Instagram. Okay, so this one's more like Halloween-y, you know, like maybe I make potions in my basement, but I also have like a big heart. This one's like holy guacamole.
Oh,
Quem é essa? Quem é esse? Oi, quem é esse?
No record out of days.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Well, this is what it looked like. Well, this is what it looked like.
Hello, hello, I'm not where I'm supposed to be.
Come with me in one pure melody. Take a look.
What are you waiting for?